Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinataob ng CSB Lady Blazers ang San Sebastian Lady Stags 25-19, 25-18, 25-20. Best player of the game si Waylon Stoke sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 11 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Panalo naman ang Mapua Lady Cardinals kontra sa Perpetual Lady Altas 25-22, 25-23, 25-20. Best player of the game si Greg Cabaden sa likod ng kanyang 10 points mula sa 9 attacks at 1 ace. Panalo din ng UP Fighting Marons kontra sa GRU Lady Bombers 25-13, 25-19, 25-10. Best player of the game si Cassandra Doring sa likod ng kanyang 10 points mula sa 4 attacks, 4 blocks at 2 aces. Winalist naman ng NU Lady Bulldogs ang Arellano Lady Chiefs 25-9, 25-12, 25-12. Best player of the game si Camila Lamina. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 18, 2024. Sa Pool A, NU Lady Bulldogs 4 wins, 0 loss, 12 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 3 wins, 1 loss, 8 points. Arellano Lady Chiefs 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 points. San Bida Lady Ridge Spikers 1 win, 3 losses, 5 points. EAC Lady Generals 0 win, 4 losses, 0 point. Sa Pool B naman, UST Golden Tigresses 4 wins, 0 loss, 11 points. ULED Warriors 3 wins, 1 loss, 10 points. LPU Lady Pirates 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 points. Mapua Lady Cardinals 1 win, 3 losses, 4 points. Perpetual Lady Altas 0 win, 4 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Sa Pool C naman, DLSU Lady Spikers 3 wins, 0 loss, 9 points. UP Fighting Marons 2 wins, 1 loss, 6 points. Litran Lady Knights 1 win, 2 losses, 3 points. GRU Lady Bombers 0 win, 3 losses, 0 point. Sa Pool D, FEU Lady Tamaraws 3 wins, 0 loss, 8 points. CSB Lady Blazers 2 wins, 1 loss, 6 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win, 2 losses, 4 points. San Sebastian Lady Stags 0 win, 3 losses, 0 point. Heto naman ang mga koponan na pasok na sa round 2. Sa Pool A, NU Lady Bulldogs 4 wins, 0 loss, 12 points. UE Lady Warriors 3 wins, 1 loss, 10 points. DLSU Lady Spikers 3 wins, 0 loss, 9 points. CSB Lady Blazers 2 wins, 1 loss, 6 points. Sa Pool F, UST Golden Tigresses 4 wins, 0 loss, 11 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 3 wins, 0 loss, 8 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 3 wins, 1 loss, 8 points. UP Fighting Marons 2 wins, 1 loss, 6 points. Heto ang game schedule ng round 2 ngayong October 20, 2024 na gaganapin sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Sa first game, magharap ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at UST Golden Tigresses alas 11 ng umaga. Sa second game, maglalaban ang ULED Warriors kontra sa CSB Lady Blazers alas 2 ng hapon. At sa main game, magharap ang DLSU Lady Spikers at NU Lady Bulldogs alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.